Hey guys, welcome back to Detroit Garage. Today's an awesome day. We're putting the head on the 253. I've been waiting a long time to get to this point, so we're finally getting her done. Just gonna prep the head for installation, so just clean it all off, and we'll put all the gaskets down and everything like that. So got the fresh gasket kit here from FP, and there's a list of all the items, part numbers if you ever need them. It's got all the seals, compression rings or compression seal, and all the gaskets associated with it. So happy times indeed. And with any luck, they're actually the correct seals and whatnot. This O-ring here, this is the critical one. I don't have a spare, so these are a real bugger to put on. For those of you guys used to doing this, you know what I'm talking about. So patience is a virtue. I'll get this going. All right, guys. I did a little cheating with some weights. It's just to kind of get the corners massaged in. And we'll let that sit for a few minutes and then gingerly take the weights off. Normally, if I could think ahead, I would put the weights on the night before and then it wouldn't be an issue the next day. But anyway, the 253, there's only one oiling port for the rocker arms and the valves and all that. So the rest are all cooling ports. And the second weight off successfully. So the perimeter gasket's staying. And yeah, that's all that matters. So you can see the plugs for the idler shaft, one end for the camshaft, and then the oil port for the head is open, and there's only the one. And you put these in dry as well. If I didn't say so, they say not to add lubricant to these seals. So there's one issue, and then this seal is too large for that hole. I'll have to go check my hoard of parts. I'll be right back. So there's the correct seal, and I think they gave me a 71 series seal. Anyway, correct over here. Anyway, that is the correct seal. That's a no-go item. Without that, you're screwed. Detroit will just leak oil everywhere. I'll just confirm that's the correct seal. This is an unopened pack from another engine kit. Fortunately, I've got lots of parts. Yeah, okay, perfect. So as I mentioned before, this engine's kind of like two engines into one. Some of the parts are off of a crawler, Deere crawler, and the other ones are off of a generator set. So I had to use two engines to make one, essentially. So that's what we're doing. And I'll put a picture of the engine when I got it, but I don't think it's been run for over 25 years, so. It's a kind of a cool little engine. Certainly is unique, that's for sure. There. Okay guys, we got the head all prepped, ready to go, wiped off, and the gasket looks like it's going to stay, this perimeter gasket. I cheated a little bit with a couple of toothpicks, but I think the rest of the gasket looks really good, so we're going to put it down. All right. All right, that's it guys. We're gonna put it down now. So we do the kind of tighten down the follower side a little bit first, and then the other side. And there's the torque sequence for a 253 on the bottom left. All right, that's 180 foot-pounds. All right, well now that that's finished, I can start assembling the rest of this stuff. Putting her back together. And when I'm putting the head down, I always leave these towers loose. Give it some wiggle room. All right, we'll run and get the injectors, put those in. So for now, I'm putting a set of N45s in it, and then I'll break it in with these injectors. And then I'll put the L40s in it for the forklift application. And the L40s are specifically made for forklift operations. And these injectors just happen to come out of the 353 that I overhauled. So we're gonna run with those. So we're just putting the hold down clamps, injector hold down clamps in. Okay, 25 foot-pounds. Okay. All right, put some new washers on these fuel connectors. And before the shops close, I'll run down and get some bolts and sneak out here on the weekend and with any luck get Jimmy talking again. I'm just going to put these fuel jumpers on and then I'm going to stop the video here. I've got to run out and get some more parts for this, some bolts and stuff and lock washers that I'm missing. So I'll do that before the shop closes. Again, thanks for checking in and we'll catch you on the next video. So the next video we'll do the tune-up and see if I got time to do the start video. And yeah, we're not far off now from getting it running.